What's going on, guys? This is Kev from Nova Star Nation, and for today's video I have some very important information. Let me repeat that again, some very important information that can easily 2x and 3x your money in the stock market this upcoming years. Let's get it.
It's my honor to welcome three of the world's leading technology CEOs, and in the case of Larry Ellison, it's well beyond technology. He's sort of CEO of everything. He's an amazing man, an amazing business person. But to announce the largest AI infrastructure project by far in history, and it's all taking place right here in America. As you know, there's great...
You heard what I said there, right? AI, artificial intelligence. All right, so just keep that in mind. Let's go.
Competition for AI and other things, and they're coming in at the highest level. We're joined by Oracle Executive Chairman Larry Ellison, SoftBank CEO, my friend Masa Yoshi-san, and CEO of OpenAI, and I would say the by far the leading expert based on everything I read, Sam Altman. So that's great that you're coming.
So maybe y'all don't know, but for the people that don't know this, so OpenAI is the owner of ChatGPT. So they have a big they're very powerful in the AI industry at the moment.
And together, that's a massive group of talent and money. Together, these world-leading technology giants are announcing the formation of Stargate. So put that name down in your books, because I think you're going to hear a lot about it in the future. A new American company that will invest $500 billion at least in AI infrastructure in the United States
Listen to that. 500 billions of dollars in AI infrastructure. 500 billions of dollars in AI infrastructure. You have to take those little keynotes that he's giving you. He's giving you the play. Since he started speaking, since the beginning, he gave you the play already. It's AI. There's 4 years that are coming up, right? It's about to be AI. Number one, AI, artificial intelligence, okay? So I want you to keep that in mind, okay? Keep that in mind. It's called Stargate, and they will invest 500 billions in AI.
very quickly, moving very rapidly, creating over 100,000 American jobs almost immediately. This monumental undertaking is and very quickly, moving very rapidly, creating over 100,000 American jobs almost immediately. This monument...
100,000 of jobs coming to the U.S., to the United States.
Undertaking is a resounding declaration of confidence in America's potential under a new president. Let me be a new president. I didn't say it, they did. So I appreciate that, fellas. But it'll ensure the future of technology. What we want to do is we want to keep it in this country. China is a competitor and others are competitors. We want it to be in this country, and we're making it.
That's the biggest enemy. That's the biggest enemy, China. So we must, when it comes to the AI, we must hurry up because we got to catch up. Because being honest, China's a couple steps ahead of us when it comes to the AI. But what we have over here is the big companies. We have a lot of money, and we come together in this new 4 years that we have on the Trump administration. I believe so that we can definitely not even catch up. We can pass through China because we have the companies, we have the big tech companies here in the U.S., and we have the money. And then we also have a president that's going to back us up when it comes to the AI, like he's doing right now. He's not even there for 2 days, and he already talking about investing in AIs and bringing in CEOs and big companies that roam the world when it comes to the AI infrastructures, right? This is the play, right? So let's listen to this a little bit more, right? And after this, I will give you the stocks that will 2x and 3x your money in the stock market in this upcoming years, all right?
Available. I'm going to help a lot through emergency declarations because we have an emergency. We have to get this stuff built. So they have to produce a lot of electricity, and we'll make it possible for them to get that production done very easily at their own plants if they want, where they'll build at the plant, the AI plant, they'll build energy generation, and that will.
You see, that's what I'm saying. You already have the precedent backing you up. You know, you have the precedent backing you up already. So we're gonna be moving quick with it. We're gonna be moving quick with it. A lot of jobs gonna come in. A lot of money will come in. So you just gotta be smart. You just gotta play the game. You gotta play the game. Like, being honest, bro. Like, F all that, bro. Like, F the design and classification, all that. Don't worry about that right now, brother. Worry about creating a better future for yourself, creating generational wealth, my guy. You can start with $100, you can start with $10, you can start with $50. It don't matter. It's just like when you go to the gym, it's just like when you go to a new job. You know, you start at the bottom. Little by little, you start climbing up the ladder. Little by little, you start putting on more weight. It's the same thing. It applies to the investment game, bro. I started investing at $50 a week, right? I jumped to 75. I jumped to 100. Right now I'm doing 150. I'm just keep climbing, my brother. You just keep climbing. That's all. Just look at me, my brother. I'm not saying that I have billions of dollars in the stock market. I don't. But we will. The way I'm moving, we definitely will. And you can too. You just gotta put aside all the distractions that social media put in your hands, right? On your phone. And focus, bro. Focus. That's all you have to do, man. That's all you have to do. Let's focus, man. Let's focus. He's telling you right now what you gotta invest in. The sector. He's not telling you the companies, but he's telling you the sectors at the moment is AI. AI infrastructure. Everything that has to do with artificial intelligence. That's what you have to invest in order to make money in the stock market. I don't do trading. You ain't gotta do trading either. If you want, you can do it, but I don't do it. And I still have seen a lot of gains from my money that I have invested, right, in this couple 2 years, in the last 2 years. So, let's go.
Be incredible. But it's technology and artificial intelligence, all made in the USA. Beginning immediately, Stargate will be building the physical and virtual infrastructure to power the next generation of advancements in AI, and this will include the construction of colossal data centers, very, very massive structures. I was in the real estate business. These buildings, these are big, beautiful buildings. They're going to employ a lot of people. And physical campuses and locations currently being...
especially for the construction people. Like right now, I'm from New York. Construction is down right now. I'm in the construction business. That's what I do for my 9 to 5. I work in construction, right? And right now, it's not looking good. We have all these immigrants and all these illegal immigrants coming in the country, flooding in the country, doing the job that I do for less money. Come on, man. This is capitalism, brother. They like that. The business owners, they love that. It's more money in the pockets. That's all. So that's going to be good, too. It's going to bring more... You created them plants, right? The AI infrastructure plants. It's going to bring money into our pockets, people that work in construction, right?
Nationwide, they're making their choices of locations. I think they have their choice. I'd like to ask Larry, Sam, and Masa to say a few words and just talk a little bit about what they're doing, and if you have any questions, and then we'll go into a couple of other subjects also. But this is, to me, a very big thing. $500 billion Stargate project. I think it's going to be something that's very special. It'll lead to something that could be the biggest of all. So, Larry, maybe we'll start with you, and we'll go down the line. Thank you.
So with that being said, let's just go straight into what you came for. Let's go. All right, guys, so let's get straight into it, right? So I have here 4 stocks, Okay, 4 stocks that I believe that can easily 2x and 3x your money in this upcoming years under the Trump administration, right? Like I just saw in the video a few seconds ago, right, that I was reacting to. Like I told you, right, I was telling you ain't gotta start big, okay? You can start step by step. It's just like we're going to the gym or going to the job, right? Step by step. You don't gotta start investing $500, $300, $1,000, and so you can start with $10. You can start with $50, $100. But I just want you to get into the mindset of investing your money, not throwing your money away on things that at the end of the day don't bring any value into your life. Okay? So with that being said, I have here the first company. Okay, I have it's not in order. It's not in order. So the first company is Oracle, right? So Oracle is a tech company. So all this company that I will give you, all the stocks, okay, it's stocks that I will be giving you is of tech companies. So Oracle, right? As y'all saw in the video, the new company that they will be creating that's called Stargates. The CEO of Oracle is in that project, right? So that's the first stock that I have for y'all over here, okay? The second stock I have for y'all over here is Microsoft, okay? Maybe y'all don't know this, but Microsoft owns 49% of OpenAI. Again, as y'all saw in the video, the CEO of OpenAI is part of the Stargates project. His company, OpenAI, is not public yet in the stock market, but Microsoft is, and Microsoft, so they have ties with OpenAI, okay? So we have Microsoft, and then we have another tech company. Maybe you heard about it, maybe you haven't, but it's called NVIDIA, all right? So NVIDIA is a tech company, the #1 AI company, I would say, in the world at the moment. They're running the AI sector at this moment. It's AI, right? So NVIDIA is another company y'all can invest your money in. And then for the last stock that I have over here for y'all is Broadcom. So Broadcom is another tech company, right? It's basically they go hand to hand with let's say with NVIDIA, right? In the sense that they in the same sector, they tech companies, and they mainly focus on AI, but it's AI chips, right? They into the chips, same as NVIDIA. So that's another huge company that y'all can invest in. And I'm not gonna say I guarantee because I'm no expert, but y'all can make some money out of it. If y'all invest your money into those 4 stocks that I just gave you right now, in the next couple of years, you gotta remember this, in the next couple of years, right, y'all can 2x and 3x your money. Investing is not about an overnight thing. Investing takes time. Just as, again, when you go to the gym, it takes time for you to have the physique that you wish to have. You got to put in work every day. When you go to work, in order for you to become the manager, you got to start at the lower level. It takes time. Same when investing. It takes time. All right, so just because you don't see any results in 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, it don't mean that it's not working. You just got to keep going. Being consistent is the key, right? But under the Trump administration, in this upcoming 4 years, those stocks can easily increase your net worth. Yes, sir. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video. If you found any value information, please comment below, subscribe, and let us know if you are messing with this type of videos. If not, it's all fine, man. You have a good one. You take care of yourself, and remember, just keep investing, babies. One step at a time. You get there. Let's get it.